everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make Oblate art bento box. I think it's the easiest way to make character bento lunchbox. I'm gonna quickly tell you how to make it. It's gonna be a lot of fun if you like to draw a picture or color the picture. You can trace the picture, you don't have to draw a picture. So what you need to make Oblate art is Oblate, of course. It's very cheap and affordable in Japan, and nail art brushes. They are available at 100 shop in Japan. I think it's very cheap online. I will put the link in the description box just in case, just for your information. And food colors, you can use edible markers if you have, and transparent underlay. It is also available at 100 shop in Japan. What you do is you print out the image you want to draw. Then put it under the underlay and then place oblate on top and just trace the image. First you want to trace the lines, then color the image. That's it. It's very easy. After you draw a picture, you wanted to remove the oblate from the underlay just before it dries completely. Otherwise, it sticks onto the underlay and it cannot be removed. I put the character stuck on the underlay and I couldn't remove it, and I was like, oh my gosh, and I just put the cheese on top. Then what happened is luckily the image transferred onto the cheese and whoa, it was like a stamp. But it is not the way it works. So you wanted to remove the oblate from the underlay before it dries. It can be removed if you don't use too much water, you know what I mean? It's like a glue, so once you put the water, it becomes very sticky. I think that's why it's stuck on the underlay. You wanted to draw a picture a day before. Basically, what you do is you put it onto a slice of cheese or any food flat surface just before you serve, and now it's done. I've made link bento lunchbox and aipuri bento lunchbox and mashuru bento lunchbox. I don't know if you know these characters. They were requested by my kids. If you have tried Oblate art, please hashtag OCHIKERON on social media. And of course, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my new videos. I will see you in the next video.